Welcome back to with Anjali. Today I am going to solve Leetcode problem, that is Stone Games hard level question. So let's look into the question. Alice and Bobs continue their games with piles of stones. There are several stones arranged in row, and each stone has a associate value which is an integer given in the array stone value. Alice and Bob taken turns, with Alice starting first. On each player turns, that player can take one, comma two or three stones from the first to remaining stone in the row. The score of each player in the sum of the value of the stone taken. The score of each player is 0 initially. The objective of the game is to end with the highest score, and the winner in the player with the highest score, and there could be a tie. The game continue until all the stone have been taken. Assume like Alice and Bob play optimally, so return Alice if Alice will win, Bob's if Bob's will be won, or tie if they will be end the game with the same score. So now we are looking at first example. So here given input 1 2 3 4 7 Bob, output is Bob. So Alice will be always lose. Her best move will be take three pills and score becomes 6. Now the score of Bob is 7 and Bob wins. So it is written Bob. Next example here is stone given input 1 2 3 and minus 9. So Alice must to choose all three pills at the first most to win and leave the Bob with the negative score. So if Alice choose one pills, her score will be 1, and next to move Bob's score, because in the next moves Alice will be take pill with the value minus 9 and lose. So if Alice choose the two pills, her score will be 3, and next moves Bob's score become 3. In the next move Alice will be taken pills within value minus 9 and also lose. So remember that both player optimally. So here Alice will be choose the scenario that make her win. So it is written Alice. And another example is Alice cannot be win this game. She is the end the game in the draw. If she decide to choose all the first two three pills, otherwise will be lose. So here look at constraints. So now I am going to explain code. So we start creating the stone games functions, which is written Alice Bob's are tied. So that n store the number of stones, and dpi store the maximum score of difference. The current player can achieve the starting from the index I, and and after that we will take we iterate from right to left, because each state depend on the future states. Slash the dpi with the smallest value, and m will be store the sum of the stones pick at the current moves, and at the every position the player can choose to take one or two or three stones. So selection selected stones to move m as we expose. After that the current player advantage is m, so minus the opponent best possible advantage from the next position, so we keep the maximum value. So after we try to all three choice, the dp of I store the best score difference from index. And here is uh, the dp greater than 0 is written alice, and less than 0 it is written bobs or tie. Score difference in 0, both player end with the same score. The dp keep the big up n, and the space completely also same because we use only dp array of size n plus 1. So this is for two. Now I am going to run the problem. It is passed all test cases. Now we are going to submit our code.